Hi everyone, welcome Fit Fuel. This video will discuss the best exercise for reducing belly fat at home. I know it can be tough to get rid of that stubborn belly fat, but with these exercises, you'll be on your way to a flatter, toned tummy in no time. But before we get started, I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss a video. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Alright, let's get started. Exercise number 1, the plank. The plank is one of the best exercises you can do to target your core muscles, including your abs. Start by getting into a push-up position, then bend your elbows and rest your weight on your forearms. Ensure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 3 sets. Exercise number 2, Russian twists. Russian twists are a great exercise for targeting your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abs. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground, balancing on your sit bones. Hold a weight or a water bottle with both hands and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity exercise that targets your abs and gives you a great cardio workout. Start pushing up, bring your right knee towards your chest, and switch to the other knee. Move quickly, like you're running in place. Do this for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 3 sets. Exercise number 4, bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a classic exercise for toning your abs. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head, lift your legs off the ground, bring your right elbow towards your left knee, and switch to the other elbow and knee. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Those were the best exercises for reducing belly fat at home. Combine these exercises with a healthy diet and cardio to maximize results. And don't forget to stretch before and after your workout to prevent injury. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss a video. I'll see you at the next one.